take off. It's a little bit windy. You can see it. Let's stop recording. Okay guys, let's fly a little bit. You can see the weather isn't great. I'm filming in 4K 30. And let's fly a little bit. Turn around. I have everything in order now. I have to get used to filming without decentralized color profile. Let's go forward. Unusual not flying with the sensors like I had on. This is a pretty good drone. I think it's more than enough. Amazing little drone. Let's see if we can get this one. It's a little bit windy, so we're not gonna fly too far. Let's walk home. Need some dinner. Oops. So this is a place where my kids was a lot when they were little, with the kindergarten and playing and making grilling and stuff like that. I'm looking forward to see how the footage of the Insta360 One X2 is compared to the Sony FDR, my go-to vlogging camera. Is it possible to use the Insta360 One X2 as a vlogging camera? I really don't know. I think you can use it in selfie mode, but of course it's possible to use it in 360 mode, but 360 mode is more for fun, and yeah. But I'm gonna use this camera a lot, I think. Especially when you go hiking, it's fun to get some different view of the amazing thing about 360 camera is that you have, if you miss something, you can just reframe it and have it. That's really good. It's nice to see some green colors coming now. It means that you're getting closer and closer to spring. It's so nice in Norway when all the colors are popping up. And this year has been pretty special so far. And last year was special. I hope it never happen again and everything soon go back to normal. That's what everybody's hoping for. So yeah, so that's why it's important to be outside and enjoy nature. Don't just sit inside and be depressed. Go out, use the nature. It's good for you and it's healthy to do that. That's why I love being out, just to breathe some fresh air and have fun. So thank you so much for watching Grown in Nature, and remember to subscribe. It means the world to me when people are watching my content. Keeps me motivated to do it more. So thank you. See you. Bye bye.